Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll be making an easy dish. You just need few ingredients to make it. It's really easy and you will need only 10 minutes to make it. If you are new to my channel, please make sure that you click the subscribe button, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, you will have to slice 3 plantains, then break out 5 eggs and keep it aside. Now add cardamom to the plantains, or you can add vanilla essence to the eggs just to get a flavor. Now heat the pan on low flame and we are adding clarified butter. You can also use butter. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of clarified butter. Now add in the plantains and add 4 tablespoons of sugar and saute it for 2 minutes. Then cover the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you will have to add in our eggs. Now saute it very well until it gets dried. You are done when your mixture kind of look like this. I hope you liked my recipe, and thanks for spending time with me in my kitchen. If you have tried my recipe, please share the pictures with me in my Instagram ID, and if you have any doubt regarding any of my recipes, please feel free to ask me about it in the comment section. Okay then, see you in my next video. Bye.